In the spirit of Christmas, United Airlines brought the joy of the season to life by hosting a special airport experience for children, creating a day filled with excitement, celebration, and meaningful moments. The experience began at the check-in counter, where each child was warmly welcomed and presented with a United Airlines shirt, marking the start of their Christmas journey. The children then made their way to the security area, where the atmosphere turned lively with fun games and friendly competition. Prizes were awarded, filling the space with laughter and holiday cheer. Following the activities at security, the children proceeded to the waiting room. They were then guided to face the tarmac, eagerly awaiting the arrival of the aircraft. The excitement continued as the children headed down to the tarmac, where they were carefully divided into groups of 5. Each group was given the opportunity to step up and look inside a small aircraft, making the experience both memorable and magical. The journey concluded at the arrival area where the children were presented with another Christmas gift bag as a final surprise. The celebration came to a joyful close with a group photo taken in front of the Christmas tree, capturing the smiles and festive spirit of the day. Through this heartwarming Christmas initiative, United Airlines shared the true meaning of the season, spreading joy, creating lasting memories, and bringing smiles to the faces of children and their families.